Life isn't easy. Everyone want fast result these days, fast success, fast money, fast fame. But I want to tell you that I have learned something the harder way. Real success for some time from doesn't come from shortcut. It comes from the mindset because I am telling you this. I have failed many times. There were days when I had no direction, no resources, and honestly, not much confidence either. I wasn't the smartest in the room. I didn't have connections. I'm telling you the truth. People said to me, "You can't do it," or "This isn't for someone like you." But the thing I never gave up. My belief was on my myself because I know I can do anything that I wanted to do. Because I have realized you can lose money and earn it again. You can lose opportunities and find new ones. But once you lost time, it's gone forever. People now ask me, how do you stay motivated? And the truth is, I don't rely on motivation. I'm telling you the truth. I really, I rely on mindset. I focus on growth, not just result. Because I failed, I have been rejected, I am being ignored, but I never let that stop me because I believe as long as I am learning, I am not losing. Most people quite when things get tough. They give up they give up right before things were about to get better, and that's what separates those from success from those who don't know talent, not luck, but patience, consistency, and attitude toward what you want to do. So every morning when I wake up and ask myself, what can I do today that bring me one step closer? Not one big jump, just one step. That's how you can grow. That's how you can achieve your dreams. So here what's I want to tell you today. Don't fear failure. Don't wait for the perfect time because perfect time didn't come. Don't expect it to be easy. Expect it to be hard. Push through it. Build your mindset because the truth is today might be harder, tomorrow might be harder. So you can have that day, but the day after tomorrow, that's where the sunshine is. Just don't quite before that day comes. So there's a motive of my making this video so you can learn from this video, and thank you if you like this video. Thank you. Yes, sir.